What if I told you, you don't need just one income source? You can build multiple income streams, all powered by AI, working for you 24/7? Robot face. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you check your phone. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you check your phone, and you see payment notifications, money with wings. YouTube revenue chart with upward trend, product sales, shopping trolley. That's not a dream. That's what I call an AI empire. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can build it from scratch. In my previous videos, we talked about making your first $100 scaling to $1,000 day, building an AI business. But now, we go one level higher because earning money is just the beginning. Real success comes when you build systems. Systems that generate income again and again. And if you target high-paying markets like the United States, your growth becomes even faster. Part 1. What is an AI empire? An AI empire is not just one income source. It's a combination of multiple income streams working together. There are 3 types of income. 1. Active income, you work and get paid. 2. Semi-passive income, content works for you. 3. Passive income, products sell automatically. Most people stay stuck in active income. But smart creators build all 3. Part 2. Mindset shift. To build something big, you need to change your mindset. Stop thinking, I need quick money. Start thinking, I need long-term systems. Because quick money equals temporary, systems equals permanent. Focus on building, not just earning. Part 3. The 3 pillars. Pillar 1. Service business, fast income. Start with services, video editing, script writing, AI content. This gives you fast cash. You don't need experience, just learn basic skills and start. Pillar 2. Content engine, audience. Build content on YouTube, Instagram. What you learn, your journey, tips. People follow real stories, not perfection. Pillar 3. Digital products, passive income. Ebooks, templates, courses. Sell them again and again. This is where real passive income starts. Combine all 3, and you build an empire money bag. Part 4. Step-by-step roadmap. Step 1. Start with services. Get your first client. Offer, free sample, low price. Build trust first. Step 2. Build content daily. Post daily. Even if no one watches, consistency builds audience. Step 3. Create first product. Start simple, ebook template. Don't wait for perfection. Step 4. Automate with AI. Use AI tools to 1. Create scripts, 2. Edit videos, 3. Manage tasks. This saves time. Part 5. Scaling the empire. To scale. 1. Increase pricing, 2. Build systems, 3. Handle more clients. Now your income grows fast. Part 6. Multiple income streams. Now you earn from 1. Clients, 2. YouTube ads, 3. Affiliate links, 4. Digital products. This creates financial freedom. Part 7. Mistakes. Big mistakes. 1. Trying everything at once, 2. No focus, 3. Quitting early for no consistency. Avoid these. Final message. Building an AI empire takes time. But once it's built, it can change your life forever. Start small, stay consistent, and slowly, you'll build something powerful. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe. And in the next video, we'll go deeper into automation.